And I want to talk about this, do this trade wisdom segment, which I think some traders really need to hear. There's a huge push to make it in trading, right? It's there's a perspective on trading that is very much, a table with $100 bills stacked in cash and a guy with gold chains and a Lamborghini in the background. Generally that's just used for selling you stuff, right? Mainly forex products or crypto. Trading is a job. It's a career. It's not seen as such, but we do a very important thing. We do the same thing as every car dealership out there, every supermarket out there, every retail store. This is what we do as traders. We take inventory from the larger participants and distribute it across the board, and we create a market. We make a market and provide stability and liquidity in the market. That's basically our job, and we get paid for doing that. So we are a little bit, you can think of yourself as a slow motion market maker where you're taking inventory temporarily and then disposing of it at higher prices, and you get paid to take that risk. That's the goal. The thing is, people following, hearing the stories about Wall Street bets and so on, hear about somebody who bought 5,000 calls for 2 cents on BlackBerry or whatever, and then those calls got into the money. They became worth, the full price of the stock. The person YOLO'd their life savings. They put 20 grand in. They made they made $200,000, and everybody's looking for that hit. Please understand that the goal is to really make consistent, incremental, tiny improvements day by day, week by week, month by month. That's the goal. The goal is to really improve the process. This is like what's covered by James Clear in Atomic Habits. You're making, you want to become more fit. You don't go out and get the best shoes, the best gear, join the biggest gym and lift the heaviest weight on the first day. You want to just take it easy, go in, get yourself to just go into the gym and walk on a treadmill and maybe do some light exercises on a machine rather than with free weights. And over time, you're building muscle memory based on the focus on tiny incremental improvements. You're aiming for, your business plan is for, and your strategies for tiny improvements. That's what we're after. So as you come in here on a daily basis, listening to me or listening to anybody else that you listen to, whomever that is, please remember that it's really important to just get used to the weight you're about to lift and to incrementally challenge your process and improve your process. You're not here to make money initially. You're here to be the best possible trader you can be. And I know that's easier said than done. I get it. Been there, done that, been doing this for 21 years, approaching 22 years next year. And I'm going to tell you that the results by thinking that you're going to YOLO and take a 10 lot, even if it's in the micros, and hold it despite all the heat is just total and absolute garbage. You will not last. You will not last. The goal is to just get good with the small size that you're trading, hopefully in the micros, build a good expectancy, then up your size, 1 lot, keep that expectancy, find the glitches in the issues that come up, and then get better, then get to the point where you can confidently go to 3 lots and 4 lots and 5 lots, and the returns will compound if they will come, if there is an edge. There's no guarantee of an edge, but that's how it works. And all the time you're focused on risk. You're focused on how can I get an improvement on the amount of risk that I'm taking. And that's what we call an R factor. If I'm risking 5 points on a trade, what can I do to get 7.5 points or 10 points or 15 points? That's what's going to keep us in business. One more thing. You're going to F up. You're going to do something wrong. You're going to just go on tilt. You're going to blow up. That happens. You don't accept it. It's not okay, but it happens. Just remember that in doing so, in screwing up, in committing an error, in FOMOing a trade, in fading your plan, fading your edge because you just don't feel like it's going to go higher, so you decide to sell, and then the market starts moving higher, so you sell some more. In doing that, this is a failure that is temporary. This is you improving on your experience. The goal is to come back and see that for what it is, and that is not that you're an idiot or you're stupid or will never learn and daddy told you you'll never make it or whatever psychological issues there are. It is simply experience, and the goal is to survive that. So don't make it catastrophic. Come back and build on that experience. And as you build on that experience, the results will come, hopefully, at some point in the future, as long as you're able to maintain your risk control. Okay? So we all F up, but it doesn't mean you give up and you just throw it all away. Okay? So that's all I had for you there. Just be cool. Just forgive yourself. But every time things go wrong, you're gaining a piece of experience. Let's move on to what's expected for today. I really would like to see everyone do well. We can all do well. There's plenty of opportunity. There's plenty of edge to go around, in my opinion. You don't have to believe the hype. You don't have to believe the shortcuts. You're not buying a shortcut. This is a process. It's a job. Okay?